Hello, this is SparcMan. Welcome back to the Colobot Chronicles. We're going to start up our first mission on the last world. Let's go ahead and get it started, shall we? Alright, flying through space. Wonder if that's going to be the replacement for the space shuttle. No, not really. Hey, look at that. It's a nice blue, welcome-looking world. Maybe that's suitable for human habitation, huh? It better be, 'cause this is the last world. We'll be done after this. Let's skip that animation. Bring up our instructions. Okay, we've just received information from the first expedition designed a brand new weapon to be used on Terranova. It was stored safely away from possible enemy reach. Enemies being bugs. Okay. Inside a vault which can be accessed only by using 4 keys. These keys are scattered on or under the planet's surface. The observation satellite has located one of these keys north of your present position. In compliance with Congress directives, our engineers have developed a strictly defensive bot, which actually is pretty good. It's called a shielder. It will offer adequate protection within a given parameter. The data have been transmitted to your research center along with a couple of relevant programs. As you may know, titanium ore in the subsoil is a powerful fertilizer. Of course, we all knew that, right? Furthering the growth of a variety of mushrooms. Please also note that titanium ore is often located at the bottom of the lakes of this planet. When your mission is completed, and before taking off, bring both a shielder and a subber aboard your spaceship. Alright, so we need a key, we need a shielder, and we need a subber, and of course our astronaut. Alright. Okay, so we've got titanium ore located underwater, thus the subber. No uranium ore on the surface. Let's see. Subsoil, we've got energy source at some places. That's not particularly helpful. Titanium ore, none. Uranium ore, some, which they mentioned is around mushrooms. Okay, so additional information. We've got giant ants. Danger is immediate, so we gotta watch out for that. Giant wasps, danger is not immediate, which we'll see what that means later. Detected reusable derelicts. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get this thing started. First things first, they did say ants, danger immediate. Let's get ourselves defended from that, shall we? Set up a defensive tower. One right here should do it, because all the ants are going to come from this direction anyways. How do I know that? I've played this before. You might have guessed that. Alright. And D-split. We got it powered. Alright. Now we're going to need a few things. We need a bot factory, a subber, and a converter. Guess what we have over here? We have a power station. And an energy cell. Power cell. So that's what they meant by some places. I think there's actually one other place on this world where you can, where there's technically there's power. There's really no way to know about it unless you go into the resource files for the game. So it's kind of pointless. Okay. Next up, let's build some stuff. Okay, we've got enough power cells here. We can go ahead and put a radar station. Aha. Already killed an ant. I think we can put it kind of close to that defense tower. Radar stations don't need a lot of space. Yes. Alright, so now we can see, yeah, we have an ant coming in. Not a big deal at the moment. Okay, come on, grab the thing. And we're going to need a bot factory. Because we need a subber. In reality, we can probably get away with not making a subber right now, but there is some titanium ore that's on the surface right next to the water. Okay, bot factory. There we go. Alright, we can have this guy help out. Get him away. Right. Oh, that's me. I'm telling myself to get out of the way. Okay, bot factory. We need a subber. Go back to our wing grabber. Grab the power cell. I said a power cell. That's not a power cell. Power cell, please. And perfect timing. Now I want a titanium cube. And I want to make a converter. Let's see if I can put one right here. Looks good. Okay, let's build a converter. Alright, we're going to load up a titanium gathering program for this guy. Titanium converter. This one actually won't work the way it is, and I'll show you why. Oh, no, I was wrong. It does work. I was thinking that it wouldn't work for subbers. But it doesn't, it works just fine for subbers, actually. I'm not sure if that's a modification I made or if it was like that already and I just remembered poorly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let's see. Thanks to the radar station, we know there's no ants nearby. We know it's safe to swap power cells. Looks like the subber program's running into issues here. Alright, let's find the subber. I don't know why it's doing that. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to load up another program, because I know the other program for gathering titanium works just fine on this world. This one. Run it. Okay. Alright, I'm going to need... Well, let's do the research station first. We can build that over here by our radar and everything. Let's see, this should be far enough. Maybe? Research center. Nope, too close to a building. So, in other words, it needs to be about 3 steps in this direction. Okay, we're going to save ourselves a little trouble. We've got a program called Power Research. We're going to run that. Yeah. Fail. Never mind. Defeated by the glitchy go-to command.